Hello everyone, I'm Sadek, the founder of EzyCourse. Welcome to the complete membership website building A to Z masterclass. So now let me go ahead and show you how website works or pages work inside EzyCourse. So we have to go inside our dashboard and click on website builder. And inside that we can see a lot of options starting from pages, menus, variables, and a lot more options here. I will go through all of the options here and we'll show you how to use them, why you need them, and everything you need to know about them. So first thing first, we will create the pages. So when you sign up on EzyCourse, you get a default website. So let me show you the default website you may have already seen. And this is the website you have seen when you have signed up. And it also pre-configure a lot of things for you. And it has also menus here, membership, appointments, and a lot of things here, all pre-configured for you. So let me go ahead and show you how this pages works. So here, you can see a quick filter, home, default, custom, modal, and filter. We will be covering everything inside website building section. And you can also search and here the page status, unpublished, protected, private, everyone, only me, login user, and enrolled student. So you can pretty much understand from the features available. Now, let me go ahead and see what is my homepage looks like and how can I find it. So if I click on all tabs and I click on home, then it will show me my current homepage, which is primary information as the name of the homepage is version 2 and rest of the information I can see here. And this icon is very much important for building a website or editing your existing page. And from the three dot, we can edit some settings of the page. We can clone and copy paste URL, and we will come back later on the caching system. Now, let me go ahead and show you the current homepage that this website has. So this is the current homepage with 3 sections here. And if I want to make any changes, I will have to click on the build this page, or I can go to the website and click on edit this page. It will take me to the website page. So now let me explain a little more in depth at how website pages works. So first thing first, all of the pages, the custom homepage and all other custom pages will be available here. And then in your website, you can connect each and every pages from the top. You can choose to use a menu or a different menu or completely no menu for your web page. Just like this, you see a lot of menu options here, also drop down menu here. And those pages that we created is linked with each and every menu. So let me show you how to do that. If I click on edit page settings, we will be seeing option here, menu. And also we will be able to attach a menu when creating a page. So let me go back again to a page. So this is how you do editing stuff for an existing page, or if you want to create from the scratch, you go ahead and give some basic information like page name, subpath. So subpath is something interesting, but it is optional. So for example, let's say you want a page like membership, then you want one more path like paid membership. Then you can create another path called free membership. So if you need 2 or 3 subpath, you can simply use it here and it will be populated. Here you go. We currently have one menu, which is primary menu. That's why we see we can create multiple menus here. If it is a marketing or sales page, we can choose not to have a menu. With that, we can avoid any kind of friction with our page. So we can choose no menu. Then we have page type, default is custom. These two are very much interesting. So if you have a global footer, for example, let's say in this website, I don't have any footer, but let's say we have a footer here and you want to include this footer with all the pages without editing manually. So all you have to do is go ahead and create a page called footer, and then you will get a section, and then you can choose from our template library. So I will show you real quick. You will not see this option because we have made it hidden for new customers. So by default version 2, we can keep the page privacy to unpublished, which means no one can access this page and everyone is, which means it is accessible, and password protected, which means user have to enter the password in order to access the page. We can regenerate the new password. By default, it generates for us. and free and premium. So we will be learning how to create a product. So a page can also be a product, and we can make it paid or free. So for now, let's make it free and create a new page. So I would create a new page here. And if I wanted a subpath, you see, it adds like that. So we only have one subpath level. So we keep it empty for now, and we can choose a private menu. And then we can choose a custom free for everyone and then click create. And voila, the page has been created, and we will be seeing our template gallery. You can use from 60 available templates, and also there are a lot of sections you can choose. So now let me choose a template for me. I'm in a programming niche or a business coach. So I will create on this area, and this is a template. I can preview this one by clicking on the preview button, and it will load me a preview here. So let's say I like this page very much, or I can go personal trainer. And then from here, let's say I like this one, I will view again or simply click on insert. Then my page will be ready instantly with those changes and this template. Absolutely amazing. The page is ready. Now, if I go to my membership, or I can click on the preview of this page, I can see this available. Oh, I'm not going into much more details about how to build a page, edit this content, because I will be covering it next tutorial. But let me show you how we can quickly connect this page to our home menu or the primary menu real quick. So let me go back to my dashboard again, and inside the dashboard, I will click on there, and then I will see a menu. So here, this is my primary menu, but I can create a new menu here and give it a new name or secondary menu or any other name. But let's keep the primary menu for now, and then add the new page. I can see the new page here, and it's added. I can simply sort it where we want and rename it. So instead of a new page, I can say membership. Okay. And I can choose to open a new tab, but this is not a good idea to open. If your page is an external page, you can choose, but for now, it's an internal page. So we will keep it and hit save. Do not forget to hit save, otherwise it will not be saved. Now, if I reload here, you will see I have a menu at the second position because I have made it sorted to second position. And that's why I say it. And if I click on the membership page, well, I come back to my home page. We will be learning how to bring those old events here and then other products and items automatically here, or even our calendar widgets here. So we will be learning in the next few tutorials. Now, you see at the top, it says a new page. So it doesn't look good. We need to update those things. So in the next tutorial, we'll be learning how to do all the page settings and SEO and all the other things. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.